Hello, listeners. Welcome back to Unlock English and Speak. I am Leo.
And I am Charlotte. We are so happy to be with you today.
Today, we are going to talk about mistakes.
Yes, everyone makes mistakes. I make mistakes. Leo makes mistakes.
It is true. I make mistakes every day. Maybe I drop my coffee. Maybe I forget a name.
Making a mistake is normal, but fixing the mistake is important.
Today, we will learn how to say sorry in English.
But not just the word sorry. We will learn different ways to apologize.
We will learn formal ways and informal ways.
Are you ready to fix your mistakes? Let's unlock our English.
Let's start with the most famous word, the universal word.
This is our first key word. I am sorry.
I am sorry. Or the contraction, I'm sorry.
This phrase is perfect for almost every situation. It means you feel sad about a mistake.
If you step on someone's foot, you say, I'm sorry.
If you are late for a meeting, you say, I'm sorry.
It is simple, but it must be sincere. You must feel it.
Don't say it like a robot. Don't say, I'm sorry. Say, I am sorry.
Listeners, please repeat. I'm sorry.
I'm sorry.
I am sorry.
I am sorry.
Great. Now, imagine you are with your best friend. You make a small mistake.
Maybe you drop a pen, or maybe you choose a bad movie on Netflix.
For this, we have a slang phrase. It is very informal.
This is our second key phrase. My bad.
My bad. M-Y-B-A-D.
My bad means my mistake, but it is very casual.
Use this with friends. Do not use this with your boss.
Do not use this with the police.
For example, oh, did I spill the water? My bad.
Or, I forgot to call you. My bad.
It means the mistake is small, no problem.
Listeners, repeat this cool phrase. My bad.
My bad.
Oops, my bad.
Oops, my bad.
Excellent. Now, sometimes we make a mistake, but we did not want to do it.
Yes, you did not plan the mistake. It was a surprise.
This is our third key phrase. It was an accident.
It was an accident.
An accident is something that happens without intention.
For example, you break a glass in the kitchen, you say, I am sorry, it was an accident.
Or you bump into someone in the street. You say, sorry, it was an accident.
This phrase helps people understand that you are a good person.
Listeners, repeat with us. It was an accident.
It was an accident.
Sorry, it was an accident.
Sorry, it was an accident.
Very good. Now, let's get serious. Imagine you are at work.
Or imagine you are writing a professional email. My bad is not okay. Sorry is okay, but we have a better word.
This is our fourth keyword. Apologize.
Apologize. A-P-O-L-O-G-I-Z.
To apologize means to say sorry formally. It is a verb.
You can say, I apologize for the delay.
Or I apologize for the error.
This sounds very professional. It shows respect.
Listeners, this is a long word. Let's practice. A-pol-o-gize.
Apologize.
I apologize.
I apologize.
Perfect. Now, sometimes you need to take responsibility. You need to say, I did it.
This is our fifth key phrase. My fault.
My fault.
Fault means responsibility for something bad.
If you say, it is my fault, you are saying, I am the problem.
This is very brave. People respect this.
For example, we are late. It is my fault.
Or, the computer is broken. It is my fault.
You can combine it with sorry. I am sorry, it is my fault.
Listeners, repeat this honest phrase. My fault.
My fault.
It is my fault.
It is my fault.
Well, Charlotte, we have 5 powerful ways to fix mistakes.
Let's review them quickly.
Okay, let's start with the universal one,
I'm sorry.
the slang for friends,
My bad.
the explanation,
It was an accident.
the professional verb,
I apologize.
the responsibility.
My fault.
Okay, let's do a role play.
Okay, let's do a casual situation first. I am your friend.
Okay, we are playing a video game.
Charlotte, you lost the game for us. We lost. Oh no, my bad, Leo. I pressed the wrong button.
It's okay. Try again.
Thanks. Sorry.
See, my bad was perfect there because we're friends playing a game.
Now let's do a formal situation. I am your boss. You are late for work.
Okay, I am entering the office.
Leo, you are 20 minutes late. The meeting started at 9.
Good morning, Charlotte. I apologize for being late.
Why are you late?
There was a lot of traffic, but it is my fault. I should leave my house earlier.
Okay, please do not let it happen again.
It won't happen again. I apologize.
Thank you. Leo, please sit down.
End of roleplay. Whew, that was stressful.
You did a great job, Leo. You used I apologize and my fault.
And because I was formal, you were not angry.
Exactly. The words you choose change the situation.
Listeners, remember that sincerity is the most important thing.
Yes, if you say sorry with a smile or a laugh, people will not believe you.
Look at the person in the eyes. Use a serious voice.
Say, I am sorry.
Exactly. Mean it.
Leo, do you have a motivational thought for us today?
I do. It is about mistakes.
Tell us.
The quote is, "A mistake is simply proof that you are trying."
I love that. If you don't make mistakes, you are not doing anything new.
Exactly. So do not be afraid to speak English. Do not be afraid to make grammar mistakes.
If you make a mistake, just say, my bad, and keep speaking.
Thank you for listening to Unlock English and Speak.
Go out and make some beautiful mistakes today.
See you in the next episode.
Bye-bye.